Ramazan Tasfi. PMB don't join body with Muslims to pray for peace, national unity and stability for Naija. Tasfi na spiritual matter wey Muslims dey use take understand wetin dey for inside Quran wey dem dey use take see road. Na opportunity wey dem dey use hammer on top the truth wey the Holy Prophet dey preach and the relationship wey dey between Baba God and people wey him create. Presido Buhari don for the past 27 days be regular person waka come the house of Allah where Chief Imam dey try to explain the Holy Book so he go follow wetin the Holy Prophet don talk. The Imam come yarn the faithful say make dem keep wetin dem don learn from the Ramadan even after the Holy Month don waka for internal peace and salvation. The Imam come hail Presido wey him take dey talk through and dey responsible as the leader wey him be. He come yarn other people wey get their positions of authority for the country say make dem continue dey fair, just and help people wey no get shishi for hand. He come yarn the followers to repent from every yamayama wey fit scatter and cause katakata for the country. Senior Special Assistant to the Presido for matter wey concern media and publicity, Garba Shehu, come talk on the problem wey the country dey face and how the Presido government go help save the people wey tiffy and kilikili people don gbab.
We are in a war with enemies of state and the hard-fighting military. They are doing their best for the country, but they need the support of every citizen. They need information, they need goodwill, so that the progress that is being made, that we have built up to this irreversible point, will be sustained, and that in a shorter period of time, this war against terrorists, against bandits, against kidnappers, will be brought to a closure in the earliest possible time. One important message we have for the families of the captives, whose agony we all share. It's an unfortunate situation that there must be no end to their patience. This is a rescue operation. The idea is not to bring them in body bags. Nobody, the president will not be happy, family members will not be happy receiving dead bodies. So Nigerians should bear with and have confidence in our armed forces. They are working together to ensure safety for all of those that are being held against their wish. This is the directive of the president, and we're absolutely sure that his wish will be done.
Sheikh Abdul Malik Suleiman come pray to Allah make him help sustain peace, unity, prosperity, protection and guidance for the country. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.